outside is frightful. The fire is so delightful. The weather is such a pain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I'm on the parking lot known as the Pali Highway trying to get to work. All the schools are closed. Everything is flooded. This is so much fun. This is the whole island, by the way. Parts of Waianae, underwater. Parts of Wahiwa, underwater. Power outages everywhere. If this were snow, it'd be a blizzard.
Say that again, ma'am.
We're going down the road from Zippies.
By Zippies. Okay. KSSK Radio, it's Perry and Price. KSSK presents
Reservoir, and the policemen are cutting a
Here
tree
we are a
down
few minutes later.
across the right lane, so that's what the holdup is.
Yeah, that's been the holdup all morning, but we are getting it good. Why HPD doing it? Somebody got to do it. KSSK. That's what Jason's not doing it. He's busy elsewhere.
Hey, Jason, any traffic to speak of?
Sort of. That's because of flooding there. And if you're heading down Liki Liki, you want to access Kaikili Kauka bound, you're going to have to go to Kamehameha Highway. So about that shut down. And Tanchaku and Kamehameha Highway between Binilani and YP, I got a report of that. Flooding at the Lulu Homestead Road. And on the H1 in IS, stay out of the right lane, townbound. After you pass out, one of those right lanes are flooded out, so stay to your left. Hopefully we'll get a stall through there. And it is backed up no matter where you go. It's going to be like a parking lot trying to get out there. We're backed up way beyond our normal backlog, even on the viaduct and even on trying to get your way out to the H1. Everbound, back way up the Kalani Highway. Go to KSSKradio.com and click on the State Farm logo to get real-time traffic alerts on your wireless phone or via email. In the City and County Phone Local Traffic Management Center, I'm Jason Yosuda with KSSK 2-Minute Traffic.
And all the new geographical features we have, like Lake Mapunapuna, and Lake Lualuale, and Lake Zipper. What do you say, man?
Someone should make the decision to close the zipper lane because I'm going westbound to Waianae and there's about 3 stalled cars by the YPO zipper lane and it's just flooded. Somebody was trying to get out of their vehicle and actually she was in about knee-high water. So it's really bad. Or they shouldn't even go through the zipper.
Thank you very much. KSSK Radio News Time.
Thanks for listening to 92.3 KSSK and KSSK AM 590.
Ooh, the waterfall is really big. Hey, I'm actually going like 10 miles an hour now.